smoking only 2 cigarettes a day? Then this video is not for smokers. It's for people who think they are safe. Because what I'm about to tell you, most doctors don't explain clearly, and most smokers discover too late. Before you scroll away thinking, I don't smoke a pack, I'm not addicted, I'm in control, listen carefully. Because 2 cigarettes a day don't look dangerous, but they are silently rewriting your future. And yes, if you smoke only after stress, only after food, only at night, or only socially, this message is especially for you. If you care about your heart, lungs, brain, energy, appearance, or family, watch this video till the end. And one more thing, like this video and subscribe now, because the information you're about to hear can literally add years to your life. Now let me ask you something honestly. Why do people smoke only 2 cigarettes a day? Because it feels harmless. Because there's no cough yet, no chest pain yet, no diagnosis yet, no warning yet. But here's the uncomfortable truth nobody likes to hear. Your body doesn't count cigarettes the way your mind does. Oh, only 2? That's fine. Your cells don't negotiate, your blood vessels don't forgive, your lungs don't reset at midnight. Every cigarette, even half a cigarette, starts the same chain reaction inside your body. The fire doesn't ask how small the spark was. It only needs one spark. The moment smoke enters your mouth, over 7,000 chemicals enter your bloodstream in seconds. Not minutes, seconds. And among them are chemicals that damage DNA, thicken your blood, tighten your arteries, and starve your organs of oxygen. Now listen carefully to this part. Many people believe danger starts after 10 cigarettes a day, or after years of heavy smoking. But medical studies show something shocking. Smoking just 1 to 2 cigarettes daily increases your risk of heart disease by nearly 50%. Not 5%, not 10%, almost half. That means the jump from 0 cigarettes to 2 is more dangerous than the jump from 10 to 20. This is where most people get confused. They think risk grows slowly. But the truth is, the biggest damage happens at the very beginning. Your blood becomes thicker, your arteries lose flexibility. Your heart has to work harder, and your body doesn't scream. You still walk, you still work, you still smile, you still feel normal. But inside, your organs are aging faster than you are. Now let's talk about the lungs, because this is where the lie feels strongest. People who smoke lightly often say, my breathing is fine, yes, for now. But smoking 2 cigarettes a day still reduces lung function, still inflames airways, still damages tiny air sacs that never fully repair. You won't feel it immediately. Lung damage doesn't hurt, it waits. One day you climb stairs and feel tired. Another day you catch infections more often. Another day your chest feels tight at night. And by the time symptoms appear, the damage has already been done. Now let's talk about something people rarely connect to light smoking. Your brain. Nicotine doesn't just relax you, it rewires your brain's reward system. Even 2 cigarettes train your brain to need external stimulation to feel calm. That's why stress feels bigger without it. That's why concentration feels harder. That's why sleep quality drops, even if you think smoking helps you relax. It doesn't relax you, it creates withdrawal, and then temporarily removes it. That's not relief. And here's something even more disturbing. Light smokers often become long-term smokers. Why? Because there's no urgency to quit, no fear, no warning signs. Years pass, and suddenly 2 becomes 3. 3 becomes 5. 5 becomes a habit. And by then, quitting feels impossible. Now let me say something very clearly. There is no safe level of smoking. Not 1 cigarette, not 2, not socially, not occasionally. 0 is the only number your body understands as safe. If this is already making you uncomfortable, good. That means your brain is listening. But we're not done yet. Now let's talk about the organ that suffers silently the most from just 2 cigarettes. Your heart. Every cigarette causes your blood vessels to tighten. Even 2 a day means your heart spends hours working harder than it should. Over time, this leads to higher blood pressure, higher cholesterol damage, higher risk of clots, higher chance of sudden heart attack. Many heart attacks don't happen to heavy smokers. They happen to people who thought they were safe, people who exercised, people who ate okay, people who smoked only a little. The word everyone avoids, Light smokers often say cancer happens to heavy smokers, but studies show even 1-2 cigarettes daily significantly increase the risk of lung cancer, throat cancer, and bladder cancer. Cancer doesn't wait for permission. It begins with DNA damage. And cigarette smoke is one of the strongest DNA-damaging agents known. Once that damage accumulates, it doesn't matter how small it started. Now let's talk about something you see every day in the mirror, your face. Smoking reduces oxygen to the skin. Even light smoking accelerates wrinkles, dull skin, dark circles, and premature aging. That's why some smokers look older than their age, even if they smoke very little. Now here comes the most important part of this video. Hope. If you quit now, not next year, not someday, but now, your body begins healing almost immediately. Within 20 minutes, your heart rate normalizes. Within 24 hours, carbon monoxide levels drop. Circulation improves. Your risk of heart disease begins to fall. And within years, your risk approaches that of a non-smoker. Your body wants to heal. It just needs the chance. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Quitting early is easier than quitting late. The fewer cigarettes you smoke, the less damage done. The easier the escape. If you're smoking only 2 cigarettes daily, you are standing at the edge. You can step back, or you can keep going. This video isn't here to scare you. It's here to wake you up. Because the most dangerous lie about smoking is this: I still have time. Time is exactly what smoking steals quietly. If this message helped you, like this video so it reaches someone else before it's too late. Subscribe for more life-saving health content. And if you smoke, make today the day you choose yourself. Because your future self is begging you to stop. Watch, decide, act.